Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize capital gains strategy with eTrade, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your eTrade account. Ensure you're logged in securely. Navigate to the accounts section from the main dashboard. Select Tax Center from the drop-down menu. Locate the Capital Gains tab within the Tax Center. Review eTrade's guidelines on capital gains strategies. Decide which capital gains strategy fits your investment goals. For long-term capital gains, identify eligible assets you've held for over 1 year. For short-term capital gains, focus on assets held for 1 year or less. Use the Research tab to analyze potential investments. Consult charts and performance metrics to make informed decisions. Once you've chosen assets, proceed to the Trade section. Select buy or sell depending on your strategy. Input the ticker symbol of the asset you wish to trade. Specify the number of shares you want to buy or sell. Review the order details carefully before submission. Choose your order type, whether market or limit. Confirm the transaction to execute your trade. Monitor your trades from the portfolio section. Regularly check your capital gains report for any updates. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on market trends. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Keep accurate records of all transactions for tax purposes. Stay informed about changes in tax regulations that may affect your strategy. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure alignment with your capital gains goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.